We all know the traditional checkout process is very annoying. Click the product here. First we click the product and click add to cart and click the cart page. This is the information I have added, but I will select this one for then add cart and then view cart, and then finally the process checkout page. And after this process checkout, it will go to the billing information. So, and every extra step means a lost your customer. But if you could turn on your WooCommerce store into on-page shopping experience that take a customer from product section to payment section, that on the same page. So I think this video will be very helpful. So in this video I'm going to share with you or show you to transform your WooCommerce store into a high conversion on page checkout using Elementor. So I will show you I will show you this stuff using only Elementor. So Elementor, you can use Elementor Pro, but here not bad. You can also do it with the free version. Okay, so now what you're gonna do, just I'm going to clicking the page and click add page. Here I'm going to add a page. Here I'm going to putting a name that could be on page for payment, and click publish and click edit with Elementor. Actually, that's actually simply redirect to your checkout page. Alright, so it's already come, and just click skip. And here I'm going to add a widget that would be cart, C-A-R-T, cart. This on the cart, but the thing is these are the not I can't use this one for free version. So here I'm going to add the Elementor Pro. So if we here we can use a plugin that is Pro Element, ELEMENT. That's completely free plugin for actually you can use it for as a premium plugin. Actually this is the Elementor Pro plugin, you can use it premium one. But my required is, if you use on your client project, you do not use this stuff, or do not use this plugin for your client project. So you can use for your practice project or any small kind of project you can use also. Okay, now when it's complete, I will install the plugin and go back to WordPress. And here I'm going to clicking this plugin and click add plugin. So these are actually not required for this video, but I face right now these issues. That's why I'm solving the problem right now. So if you are already known this stuff, you can skip you can skip this. After that we can watch the important part. So it's quite taking time. Okay, it's been done. Activate the plugin, and now I'm going to refresh this page after the install plugin. Okay, alright, so it's been installed. After this refresh, it will automatically unlock the widget. Okay, that you all know. So the thing is, I'm just clicking this, I'm just drop the extra page. Okay, so here I'm just clicking the, here we can also directly we can taking the widget that is cart, and these are the cart, and here I'm gonna drop it the cart option. And yeah, your all information is getting and showing over here. And I don't wanna use this two column layout. I will use only on column, and don't want to use any coupon, and delete this coupon is turn off the coupon option. And also all stuff are done. Okay, now I'm going to add another stuff, that is checkout. These are the checkout. I'm going to drop it over here. Okay, so this also will be the one column, and all stuffs are done. Now I'm going to this the coupon. That's why I already delete the coupon from here. Just click the publish. It's already been done. Now we're gonna set a default position. I'm gonna set when any customer click your product and it will automatically redirect to this page. So these settings I will do right now. Okay, now I'll go back to WordPress. But if you do not this set configuration, you will see your previous system is running. So what you're gonna do, just clicking this WooCommerce and click the settings. If you don't have any other theme or Woodmart theme, it's done, no problem, because it's not connected with the WooCommerce. Okay, just clicking the advanced option and click the cart page. This cart page will be the page name that we have giving in that giving in the page name. So what was the page name? I'm just checking. Page name was, I just forget. The page name was, what was the on page? Okay, on page payment, this one. Okay, so just click save change. After that I'm going to clicking this payment option, and this is not required, but here I'm just taking offline. Here to enable. Right now I am enabling this one already be enabled. Okay, now I'm just clicking the visit page and clicking the product, and here I have set it a custom extra booking field. I have already uploaded the video. If you wanna know about this stuff, you can just visit my YouTube channel and just click add to cart, and clicking this view cart, it will show the only on page. Okay, so after that you can check out all the stuff, and I have already made a video about the information is showing. So that there are last information is showing. If you don't wanna extra stuff like street address, country, state, zip code and phone number, you can also delete it. So this video I have already uploaded in my channel. You can watch the video in my channel, from my channel. So yeah, that's the stuff. So if you have any question, drop them in the comment below, and I reply to everyone. And if you wanted to triple on your site split under the 1 minute, you can watch more video on my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.